Okay, so we are back again by unpopular demand. And today we're going to be actually going into editing what's called the meta tags for products. This helps you in the search engines and stuff like that. So we're going to start by clicking on the category folder that we want to edit products in, which happens to be our used category, and then we're going to click on dogs, and I want to edit the product on this little Boston Terrier that we've got for sale. If you'll notice off to the right here, there are some little colored items. E is for editing the product, the X is to delete it, and as you saw in the last video, the M actually moves it to a different category. C is to copy. A is for attribute features, which we will get into in another video because that's extremely advanced. You've got the product's price manager, and this last little button here, it looks like the little radioactive thing, is for meta tags, and currently if we hover over that it says that they are undefined. So we're going to go ahead and click on that button, and we can also mark what the product's meta tag title should include. The product name is default yes, title yes, model yes, price yes, and title and tagline are both marked yes. So the meta tag title is, we're just going to go used dog, and the meta tag keywords, that's the keywords that people would be searching for on the search engines. You know, like if somebody's wanting to use dog, they would enter use dog. So we will go use dog, and these are all separated by commas, just a comma. Low mileage dog. Actually, one of the first things we're going to probably want to do is enter Boston Terrier, since it is a Boston Terrier. Let's see, spoiled, rotten. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to the meta tag description. That's if you go into the search engines and you search for a specific thing, you're going to see something like, in the blue letters, like for Google. I think they're the only search engine out there. I've heard there's some others, but you'll see, like in the big blue letters, like used dog, which would be like some of the keywords or part of the meta tag description. So on that meta tag description, we're going to go ahead and put in there used dog, period, Boston Terrier that has low mileage, extremely, let's see how many E's are in that, 12? Oh well, we're not going for spelling here, so just use the autocorrect in your mind. Extremely spoiled, needs belly rubbed often. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put that in there. And you don't want to get too carried away with your meta tags, because you can't have too many of them, because the search engines will truncate those or cut them down in size so you won't see the whole thing. So we're just going to go ahead and preview that. Okay, so that kind of shows a little bit of what's going to be there. So we go ahead and hit update. And now if you'll notice, I don't know if you can see this or not, but that little button there has went from that dark gray to orange since the meta tags are now defined. So that will really help people find the product in the search engine, so that's a very good thing to do. So anyway, I hope that helps you.